Hey, how you doing, everybody? Thanks for coming to Vegan Raw Fitness. Today, I'm going to show you how to make raw vegan oatmeal cereal to gain weight for breakfast. Adiva wanted to know, if I could do a day of it. I'm going to do it over the course of a day of what a day looks like for me, because I really want you guys to fully grasp and understand the importance of some very important facts. Because a lot of people think because they're just primarily eating, fruits and vegetables, grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, and sprouts and the like, that they're not getting enough protein to build up that muscle. So I'm going to show you with this dish right here, you're going to build up a lot of muscle, no meat involved, and more importantly, we don't have a lot of we don't have any vegetables, okay? But we do have the killer oatmeal. And let me tell you about oatmeal. Number one, I used to hate it when I was younger, but I remember my mother telling me that it's enormous amount of brain food when I was a little kid, because it has a lot of B vitamins in it. She wasn't just telling me this just to get me to eat it, but it just really was a very good nutritious dish to have to break your fast. Now, I always eat after I do my intermittent fasting workout. And I'm eat around about 12 hours after I work out for my first meal of the day. So basically, in a nutshell, if I have, like, for example, I just put in how much I want, but basically this is like almost close to a cup of oatmeal, and that's about 158 calories supposedly. But keep in mind, listen to me, ladies and gentlemen, when you're eating raw, it is completely bioavailable to the body and system. You don't have to break it down because it's not cooked. So calories are different for like the apple compared to having the same calories. Let's say the apple is 150 calories and then you have 150 calories of ice cream. Totally different as far as what it would do for the body, okay? So keep that in proper perspective. Remember, those enzymes that's inside the live food, it acts as a battery to have the vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, essential fatty acids work for the body system, okay? Whereas dead food has no battery. So in a nutshell, your metabolism, you have to use a lot of your own energy in order to break down the food. Whereas the more raw it is, the more alive it is, you have a combination of the food breaking itself down and you breaking it down too. So it's less energy. Make a long story short, okay? So I hope you got it. You don't need the calorie base as far as live foods is different from the calorie base as far as cooked vegan food, okay? It's a different. Raw is better. So that's why I'm showing you how to do this thing raw, because it's just more nutritious, it is more delicious, and more importantly, it is more healthier for you, okay? So anyway, I have the oatmeal in here. Let's talk about the benefits of oatmeal. Like I mentioned to you before, high in B vitamins. You got your protein to build that muscle. You got your essential, your fats in here, and you got your carbs in here for that energy, okay? So you're getting a complete dish. Good for fiber as far as grooming out that colon. You should be having 3 a day. That keeps the doctor away, okay? If you're not getting rid of it off your system, what it's doing is collecting your body and building fat inside of your body, okay? So also with oatmeal, it is very good as far as minimizing high blood pressure. In addition to that, it is good as far as it has magnesium in it, it has phosphorus in it. So we're talking about really helping your body really get jump started for the day, providing with vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, and you're gonna get your good fats, okay? So another thing that I do, and I'll be honest with you, I don't have it available to you today, but I normally soak so I can open up the germination of sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds have 818 calories, okay? But once again, you're getting that good fat, okay? And you're getting that good protein from this. And usually I take a handful, which I would say is like a quarter of a cup. I take a handful of that, soak it so it can germinate and it can open up and it can start to sprout and be alive, okay? Don't have it today for you, but you get the gist of it. The other thing that I have here is I have let me get down to, like I said, high in protein as far as sunflower seeds are concerned. Very, very, very good for the body system. Protein, and also you get your fats, okay? They were fats, protein, okay? Good fats though, good fats. And also, once again, I do a handful of pumpkin seeds, high in zinc. Oh, that's another thing. Oatmeal is high in zinc also, okay? So the pumpkin seeds, high in zinc, very good for the kidney area, help you flush out your system, good against high blood pressure, good against diabetes and the like. I'm talking about the oatmeal, and I'm also talking about these other wonderful seeds that we have inside of here. So we've got the zinc that's in there. We also have the sunflower seeds, okay? So now we're gonna put in, you gotta have your raisins, because your raisins, what? They give you that iron, okay? They give you the good sugar. Now, concentration of sugar too. Let's be clear, okay? But I put a nice handful inside there because of the iron content that's in there. Once again, this sugar is different though. Keep in mind, it's bioavailable to the body system, and it is the good sugar that is going to help energize your body, etc. Tons and tons of B vitamins, tons of nutrients that are inside these wonderful raisins. The main thing is the iron. It's going to feed your blood, build your immune system, etc., so that you can be healthy. So I hope you fully grasp that. Now, I'm quick today. I did earlier, I kind of prepared some coconut milk that I normally use. I kind of mix the inside the coconut, the white part, and I mix the coconut water, and I blend it up in my Vitamix. But I had that watermelon for about 2 weeks, and that coconut for about 2 weeks, and I didn't it still smelled good, but just don't want to trust it. Just don't want to trust it. It's a little old. So instead, we're busy, we work, we got to do a lot today. So one thing you can do is get some almond milk. Okay, of course I get the unsweetened type, and I add that in almonds, B17, high in, once again, we're getting what? That good fat, and we're getting what? That protein. So having a seed or nut milk involved with that, it's tremendous. You're talking about getting rid of cholesterol buildup within the body system, etc. So it really, really, truly opens up the body, and more importantly, you're getting, the necessary fats as well as protein to basically have a really awesome, heavy duty, meal to build up the muscle. Now what I do is I put pumpkin pie spice. I like to have my little spiciness to add a little another flavor of sweetness. Is really cool as far as, feel like you're having a dessert of a breakfast. So you got your raisins in there, and if you like sweetness, you're getting all that. But also, what you don't know, it has cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and also ginger. And if you understand all of them, it speeds up what? The ginger speeds up the metabolism, and also what it does is get rid of fat inside your colon area. Also, very good as far as building the immune system. You know what I mean? I'm all about building the immune system, but this stuff really works. Haven't been to the doctor since I was 12 years old, 53 right now, so we're living large, okay? So in a nutshell, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. So if I had to say calorie-wise, as far as what this meal is creating for me right now, I'm gonna definitely say at least 500 calories right here with this dish. When I have this at around about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, I'm not hungry again until around about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And normally what I will do is I'll eat something before I go to the gym. I'll work out in the morning time, get my cardio done in the morning time to get my metabolism up so it's lasting me all day long, and complemented, with the intermittent fasting, my metabolism is really revved up. And then at nighttime, that's when I go lift weights. So I've got my, wonderful protein dish inside my system to really rev up and get ready to work out, okay? Then after I work out, around about between 3 and 5 o'clock p.m., I'll have my final meal before 7 o'clock p.m. so that once again I'm fasting until once again that clock goes around until about 10 o'clock that next day to start my day all over again, okay? So that's the first thing, Diva, I'm sharing with you right now. The first meal you want to have is you have this. This is my faithful, safeful. I'm guaranteeing, I'm building up. And next what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to create this killer smoothie drink with those bananas in there. That's going to help really, once again, give you that wonderful weight gain from the protein that you're going to feed, those type of things. So I'm going to enjoy this dish. I want you guys to have a great day. Remember, raw, vegan, oatmeal cereal is one of the best ways, raw, keep in mind raw, in order to gain weight to build those muscles. Okay, talk to you soon.